how to use one WhatsApp account in two phones with the same number. So if you want to use one WhatsApp account with two phones, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp on your first phone, and after that you can install your WhatsApp on your other phone. Now once you've done that, now you need to open up your WhatsApp, go with the top right which has that three dots and tap on settings, or just simply tap on linked devices. Once you tap on linked devices, here you'll have an option of link a device option, right? So tap on link a device and you may enter your fingerprint or your password, and it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is you need to scan the QR code that you have on your new device. So if you're not being able to find the QR code on your new device, then what you need to do is open up your WhatsApp on your new device and go with the arrow which is on the bottom right, tap on agree and continue, allow, and now you need to go with the upper right which has that three dots and tap on link as companion device, and now you will have the QR code. So you just need to simply scan this, and once you've scanned, then you will be logged into the other device, and then you'll be able to use one WhatsApp account in two phones with the same number. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.